guys, it's Trish. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be planning, doing another plan with me in my Classic Happy Planner. But I wanted to show you, this is last week's spread that I did. I do have the plan with me up for this. But as you can see, it was barely used last week. And the reason for this is I had a stomach bug. So although I love this spread, I didn't get to use it and enjoy it the way I wanted to, but you know, this is another week, so we're gonna move forward. So for this week, that's going to be going into the May calendar here, because Wednesday will be May 1st. So and I still have to do my monthly. We will get to that on another plan with me, but this is going to be April 29th through May 5th, Sunday, May 5th. So today, I love these soft colors of May in this planner. This is the horizontal planner. This is, you can see I have the Squad Goals. I don't think I did show you that, but I have the Squad Goals cover. I have the Miss Maker rings, and then this is a completely different, I can't remember what, this is like a seasonal one. The one that had like the lemons and the black cover and stuff. But for a horizontal, because I just recently in the past month or so changed to horizontal. But that's neither here nor there. I love the soft colors of the spread with the peach and the light blues. So I'm going to change things up a little bit this week, guys. And I have a sticker shop that I really enjoy on Etsy. I don't get to spend a lot of money on Etsy, but when I find shops that I really like, who have reasonable prices, I try to support them. So this is from the shop Whimsical Flamingos Co. She has some beautiful kits. They're very reasonable. And this week we're going to try to use this one. I'm not 100% sure what this one's called. I want to say it's like a winter shabby or something. And if you look real close, like on this box, there's like little snowflakes, but you got to look really closely to see it. Oh, there you go, guys. But so I'm going to use it anyway, even though it has those little, barely can see those, but because I think these colors just look so perfectly with what is already there. So I've chosen a few washies. I do not yet know how much or if any of these I will be using, but I pulled out a few, and I want to, I'm just going to adjust the light a little bit there, guys. I may use these. Like I said, I may not use them, but I like to use the colors if I can. That are on the page, because like I said, this month is beautiful, and I'm glad this is my birth month because it is a beautiful month in this planner. So I think that's it, guys. I've covered all the bases here. I will be probably filling in maybe with some florals from some books, or some colorful boxes, you know, deco, stuff like that, but I'll show you the books as I use them. So I guess that's it, guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so that's it. I really enjoyed using this kit. I want you to know too, she offers I think 4 to 5 pages of each kit that you can purchase. I just got the main boxes and then the flags and different things like that, which I may fill in with different things throughout the week. But as you can tell, I used the Colorful Boxes book as well as the Farmhouse book. And it worked out really good because Farmhouse has those colors and so does Colorful Boxes. So I felt like it kind of is still cohesive even though I pulled from some different areas. But yeah, and this is what I have left. I mean, I have a lot more flags and stuff I can use for the week, and then I have 2 more boxes that I can pull and use if need be. But that's it. I'm really happy with the way it turned out, and I appreciate you stopping by my channel today. And if you enjoyed what you saw today, I ask that you please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so very much. And you guys have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.